Good morning, students. Last class we have discussed about chemical properties of benzene. So benzene reacts with a number of components. So nitration reaction, sulfonation reaction, or chlorination reaction. Okay, so that all reactions is benzene substitution reactions. Okay, benzene substitution reactions. Overall, Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Okay, what is Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction? Suppose, for example, benzene. So, benzene reacts with the alkyl halide. Okay, benzene reacts with the alkyl halide. So, in the presence of AlCl3 or FeCl3, in the presence of AlCl3 or FeCl3, so to form this like a alkyl benzene, to form alkyl benzene. So this type of reaction is called a Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. So it is very important. So already we know that benzene reaction with methyl chloride in the presence of AlCl3 or FeCl3 to form methyl benzene or toluene. Okay, so overall, what is Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction? Benzene reacts with the alkyl halide in the presence of AlCl3 or FeCl3. So to form alkyl benzene, this type of reaction is called Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. So suppose last class already we know that. So benzene reacts with the alkyl halide. So last class benzene reaction with methyl chloride in the presence of AlCl3 or FeCl3 to form methyl benzene. So alkyl means suppose for example you have taken C2H5. Okay, so alkyl means CH3 methyl, C2H5 methyl, C3H7 profile. So they are all alkyl. So a halide means fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, anyone. Suppose ethyl bromide. When benzene reacts with ethyl bromide, alkyl halide. So in the presence of FeCl3 or anhydrous AlCl3, okay, ferric chloride or AlCl3, aluminum trichloride. So to form this reaction, so attach of C2H5. So overall, so ethyl group is a substitute on the carbon of benzene. Okay, this type of reaction. So overall ethyl group or methyl group is enters on the or attached on the carbon, okay, of benzene. So this type of substitute C2H5 is substitute on the carbon of the benzene. This type of reaction is also called substitution reaction. Okay, benzene substitution reaction. Okay, so what is C2H5? Ethyl benzene. Okay, so it is a ethyl benzene. Okay, or suppose already we know that CH3. Suppose for example, replace of CH3Cl methyl chloride to form CH3. So methyl benzene. Already we know that this is okay. So methyl benzene means toluene. This reaction is very important reaction. So write the reaction. Write the reaction. So from benzene to methyl benzene or benzene to toluene. It is very important. Okay. So how to form methyl benzene from benzene? Okay. Or suppose write the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So it is very important. Okay. So overall, when benzene reacts with ethyl bromide in the presence of ferric chloride or AlCl3, aluminum trichloride. So to form ethyl benzene and HBr. HBr means hydrogen bromide. So this reaction is Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Next further Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. What is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction? Suppose when we have taken benzene, so this benzene reacts with the acyl halide. Acyl halide. In the presence of AlCl3 or FeCl3, okay, anhydrous ferric chloride or AlCl3 aluminum trichloride. So to form the reaction acyl benzene. Acyl benzene. Okay, listen. Benzene reacts with acyl halide in the presence of FeCl3 or AlCl3 to form acyl benzene. So this type of reaction is called Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. This is also very important reaction. Suppose for example, when they have taken benzene, so it is a benzene. This benzene is reacts with CH3COCl. CH3COCl means acetyl chloride. Okay, acetyl chloride. So in the presence of AlCl3 or FeCl3, okay, to form in the reaction, so attach of COCH3. Benzene attached with the COCH3. Okay, COCH3. Next, when attach of COCH3, loss of one hydrogen. That hydrogen and chlorine to form HCl, hydrochloric acid. So COCH3 group attached with benzene. So it is overall acetophenone. Acetophenone. Okay, acetophenone. So benzene reacts with acetyl chloride. CH3COCl, acetyl chloride, in the presence of AlCl3 or FeCl3 to form acetophenone. Okay, COCH3 attached with the benzene. Okay, next further, so another example, suppose for example, it is a benzene. This benzene reacts with CH3CO taken twice O. So CH3CO taken twice O. It is a acidic anhydride. Okay, it is acidic anhydride. So CH3CO taken twice O. It is also CH3 C double bond O, C double bond O, bond CH3. Listen, CH3CO taken twice. CH3CO taken twice. Okay, so CH3CO, 2 taken twice means 2. And next one oxygen, middle. Okay, so overall, to form this reaction, so benzene attached with the COCH3. Okay, benzene attached with the COCH3. Remaining compound, when benzene attached with the COCH3, loss of one hydrogen. Okay, so loss of one hydrogen. So CH3COOH. Okay, so to form CH3COOH. So what is CH3COOH? It is a acetic acid or ethanoic acid. Ether. So how many carbons? 2 carbons. COOH means oic functional group, acid functional group. So ethanoic acid. Okay, so benzene attached with COCH3 means it is the acetophenone. Okay, acetophenone. So overall, it is also one of the best example of Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. So overall, benzene reacts with the acetic anhydride in the presence of AlCl3 or FeCl3 to form acetophenone and next acetic acid. So attach of COCH3 is just like acetophenone. Next, chlorination reaction. Chlorination reaction. So overall, chlorine add with the benzene. Suppose for example, benzene. So this benzene reacts with the chlorine in the presence of FeCl3 or AlCl3. So to form in this reaction, attach of Cl, 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 Cl. So next HCl, hydrochloric acid. Overall, benzene reacts with the chlorine in the presence of FeCl3 or AlCl3 to form. So how many chlorine atoms attached with benzene? 6 chlorine atoms. So that time hexachloro, 6 chlorines, hexachlorobenzene. Okay, hexachlorobenzene. Overall, listen, what is the formula? When attach of one group or attach of one chlorine, loss of one hydrogen. So attach of 6 chlorine atoms, loss of 6 hydrogens from benzene. Okay, what is the formula? C6H6 is the formula of benzene. So loss of 6 hydrogens. Okay, attach of 6 chlorine atoms. So overall C6Cl6. Okay, C6Cl6 is the formula of hexachlorobenzene. Okay, next when attach of 6 chlorine atoms, loss of 6 hydrogens. Okay, so loss of 6 hydrogens. That hydrogens remaining chlorine atoms to form hydrochloric acid. So overall, chlorine is enters or attached with the carbon atom or substitute on the carbon atom of the benzene. So this type of reaction is also called just like a benzene substitution reaction. Okay, all benzene reactions is substitution reactions. Okay, because just like all groups is occupy on the carbon of the benzene or attach with on the carbon of the benzene or substitute on the carbon of the benzene. So that type of reaction is called substitution reaction, benzene substitution reactions. Okay, so it is chlorination, attached with chlorine, chlorination reaction. So it is benzene. So it is mainly these benzenes contain different types of positions. So it is ortho position, it is meta position, it is para position. So as it is also meta position, ortho position. Okay, ortho position, meta position, para position. Okay, so meta position, ortho position, para position. Suppose so chlorine, chlorobenzene, attach of Cl, orthochlorobenzene. Or 1,2 dichlorobenzene, already know that. Okay, 1,2 dichlorobenzene. So attach with Cl, metachloro, or attach Cl, parachloro. Okay, orthochloro, parachloro, sorry, parachloro, metachloro. Okay, so overall number of groups attached with carbon. Suppose for example, so it is a benzene. So this benzene attached with the OH group. So OH means hydroxy. Okay, OH means hydroxy. So hydroxy benzene. It is hydroxy benzene. So this hydroxy benzene is also called phenol. Okay, hydroxy benzene is also called phenol. Suppose benzene attached with the CH3. Benzene attached with the CH3. So CH3 means methyl benzene. So this methyl benzene is also called toluene. Okay, methyl benzene is also called toluene. Suppose benzene. So this benzene attached with the OCH3. Suppose CH3 methyl, OCH3 methoxy. Okay, CH3 means methyl, OCH3 means methoxy. Suppose C2H5 ethyl, OC2H5 ethoxy. C3H7 profile, OC3H7 profoxy. So methoxy benzene, it is a methoxy benzene. Okay, so that is a methoxy benzene. Suppose benzene, this benzene attached with the COCH3. Already we know that benzene attached with the COCH3 group, it is a acetophenone. Okay, acetophenone. Suppose benzene, so this benzene attached with the NH2. So NH2 means just like amine functional group. So overall aminobenzene or benjamine. Okay, aminobenzene or benjamine. So overall it is also called aniline. Okay, benzene attached with NH2, so that is aniline. And suppose benzene attached with the CONH2. CONH2 means amide functional group. Amide. So overall benjamide, amide. So what is this? Benjamide. Okay, benzene attached with the CONH2. Benjamide. Okay, suppose benzene, this benzene attached with the CHO. CHO means aldehyde functional group, so that is benzaldehyde. Okay, so it is a benzaldehyde, or another name benzene carbaldehyde. Okay, benzene carbaldehyde. Suppose benzene attached with the COOH, so it is a benzoic acid. Okay, benzoic acid. So or another name benzene carboxylic acid. Okay, benzene carboxylic acid. So benzoic acid or benzene carboxylic acid. So benzaldehyde or benzene carbaldehyde. Suppose benzene attached with the CN. So CN means cyanobenzene. Okay, CN. So overall cyanide compounds. Cyanide compounds. Cyanobenzene. Benzene attached with CN. Cyanobenzene. Okay. Or suppose benzene attached with the NC. Benzene attached with the NC. So it is a phenyl isocyanide. CN means cyanide. NC means isocyanide. Okay, NC means isocyanide. So phenyl isocyanide. Okay, so it is a cyanobenzene. Okay, cyanobenzene. Or suppose benzene attached with the COONA. So COONA means sodium benzoate. So it is a ester function group. C double bond O ONA. C6H5 C double bond O ONA. So sodium benzoate. Okay. Suppose benzene. So benzene attached with the SO3H. SO3H means sulfonic acid. Okay, benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, or suppose so it is a benzene. So this benzene attached with the CH2X. So CH2X means benzyl halide. Benzyl halide. So overall, what is X halide halogens? So fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Benzyl chloride, benzyl fluoride, benzyl bromide, benzyl iodide. Okay, so overall CH2X means benzyl halide. Okay, so benzene attached with the CH2X. So benzyl halide. Okay, so there are different types of benzene compounds. Suppose for example benzene attached with the NO2. So already we know that NO2 means nitrobenzene. Okay, so it is a nitrobenzene. This nitrobenzene is also called oil of milbane. Okay, oil of milbane. So nitrobenzene or oil of milbane. Okay, so it is also one of the best compound of benzene. Okay, so suppose for example, it is CH3 methyl benzene. So this methyl benzene attached with another methyl group. So overall benzene 1 2. So 1 comma 2 dimethyl benzene. Okay, so 1 comma 2 dimethyl benzene. Or suppose so this benzene attached with two methyl groups, that is position 1 2 3. So 1 comma 3 dimethyl benzene. 1 comma 3 dimethyl benzene. Or suppose This benzene attached with two methyl groups with different positions. That time 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 4 dimethyl benzene. 1, 4 dimethyl benzene. Or suppose, so it is also suppose CH3. So number 1, 2, 3. So 1, 3 dimethyl benzene. So it is also called orthoxylene, metaxylene, paraxylene. Okay, orthoxylene, metaxylene, or paraxylene. Okay, so overall it is benzene. Further we are discuss next further class. So structure of benzene. Okay.